Well, certainly, I think that not just cinema, but all forms of art have a very deep impact on all of us. You know, as we grow up, the books we read, the poems we listen to, the songs we listen to, popular culture has a very strong impact on young minds. Cinema is one of them, and certainly cinema has a strong impact and can be, can be potentially a very big tool to bring about change, to sensitize people. Uh, I've often felt, that I often I've asked myself that what is the role of a creative person in society? You know, like doctors are meant to provide health. The judiciary and the lawyers and judges put together are meant to provide justice. uh, Police is supposed to provide law and order. Teachers and professors provide knowledge and education. So what do creative people actually give to society? And I've realized that other than entertaining people, I think it's the only set of people who actually affect people's hearts. You know, you can inspire people. I remember the stories that I've heard as a kid from my mother or from my grandmother, or the books that I've read from the age of 6 or 7 years old, and what kind of impact they've had on me. And they've I've grown a certain way because of uh, all of this impact, which is actually through creative fields, through songs, through stories, through films, through plays, through poems, through dance forms. So I believe that other than just bringing joy to people's lives, I think that creative people also have, or also can take on the responsibility of bringing grace to society, of building the social fabric of society, of bringing hope in people's lives, in um, sometimes making them think about certain things, sometimes touching their hearts in different ways. Um, you know, so in that sense, yes, I do believe that cinema is one of those creative mediums which does have the potential, if you so choose to, use it that way.